Note to learner: this video provides content that will be hosted on the Ginnie Mae LMS in the near future. In this video, you will not be able to interact with screen content to include selecting pop-ups, launching resource hyperlinks, and answering knowledge check questions. Nonetheless, you will be presented with all of the content presented in the interactive e-learning training. Though the audio narration may request that you select items or buttons on the screen, please pause the video to read the content and then select play to continue with the video. When the video advances to a knowledge check, please pause the video and try to answer the question in your head. Select play to see the correct answer or answers to the question. Welcome to Working with SFPDM Overview. The purpose of this training is to present new users and new employees with an overview of the Single-Family Pool Delivery Module SFPDM application, including user roles, access, dashboard, and some selected operational activities. Select objectives to learn what you will be able to do by the end of this module. Select Next to continue when you are ready. The Single-Family Pool Delivery Module SFPDM provides an updated application interface for processes and procedures. A core Ginnie Mae function is to allow issuers to submit pool and loan data to be assembled and issued as Ginnie Mae mortgage-backed securities, MBS. Pool and loan data is submitted through electronically uploaded files or by manual data entry. SFPDM is used to create and submit all new single-family pools. Select Next to continue. You should be aware that there are 2 user roles associated with SFPDM. Select each role to learn more. Select Next to continue when you are ready. To access the SFPDM application, follow these steps. First, navigate to My Ginnie Mae via https://my.ginniemay.gov. Second, select Login. Third, enter your MGM credentials. And fourth, enter the one-time PIN, OTP, which is sent to you by email. Select Next to continue. Once logged into the system, you land on the My Dashboard screen. My Dashboard includes recent pool updates for the issuer, system messages, and more. My Dashboard is organized into the following sections. User Profile displays the user profile with issuer ID and contact information from the icon at the upper right of the screen. Marquee displays the latest news, tours, and features within the application. My Pools gives a total count of all pools associated with the issuer, delineates an individual count of pools per status. Awaiting Final Certification displays the pools awaiting final certification organized by time remaining. The categories are 30 days, 31 to 60 days, 61 to 90 days, and greater than 90 days. Recent Pool Activity displays information related to recent activity within an issuer's pools. Shows the 3 most recently active pools from each category. Inbox shows the most recent message, task, and events count. Displays a summary view of messages, tasks, and events. Provides a link to view all messages with options for New, Task List, and Task. Notes allows issuers to add, modify, or delete personal notes entered into the system. Activity Feed provides issuers with a log of their recent activities, such as submissions. Select Next to continue. There are 2 ways to navigate to SFPDM Pools and Loans. One way is to select the SFPDM Pools and Loans tab from the My Dashboard screen. The other way is to select Tools, SFPDM, found under Other Applications. The SFPDM Pools and Loans screen displays a list of pools associated with the issuer ID. The screen header in the blue banner includes pool status icons and the number of pools per status. Selecting any of the 8 status icons will display only those pools with that status in the table below. Pool status icons include all single-family SF pools, shows a summary of the pools in all states. Draft provides the total count of all pools associated with the issuer. These pools have been saved but not submitted. Submitted for initial certification. Pools that have been submitted. Note that the pool will not be available to the document custodian for initial certification until the attestation is complete. Initially certified. Pools that have been certified by the document custodian. Issued, transferred. Pools that have been issued or transferred to another issuer at the time of submission. Final certification draft. Pools that the issuer has initiated final certification for in SFPDM. Submitted for final certification. Pools that the issuer has sent to the document custodian for final certification. Final certified. Pools that have been final certified by the document custodian. Transferred at issuance, TAI pools. Pools that are transferred at issuance. Add a pool. Select to import a pool data file or enter pool data manually. On the SFPDM Pools and Loans tab, you can select the status column in the table. Individual pool statuses display. You can select the Advanced button to select a filter, including pool ID, issue date, pool class, pool suffix, status, business rules, custodian ID, loan identifier, or mortgage type. Selecting an individual pool status navigates to the pool details screen. By selecting the ellipsis in the Actions column in the Pool table, the options available depend on the pool type, submission type, and pool status. These are some key actions, including Validate. Once information has been entered and saved, you can validate the pool loan data by running Ginnie Mae business rules. Submit. Use this button to cancel current edits on a screen. Export. Exports pool loan data as a text file that can be found in your download folder. Docs. Download documents and reports from the drop-down menu. Delete. Delete is an option when the business rules columns indicates the pool has not passed or is not yet run. You can only delete a pool or loan when it is in draft status. Select Next to continue. Let's examine a draft pool in the SFPDM Pools and Loans screen. In the Pools Details screen, the first gray drop-down section at the top displays a snapshot of the pool details. The following fields in the Header Info section of the Pool Details screen are required to save a pool. Pool Identifier. Pool identifiers are required and pre-assigned by Ginnie Mae. They either must be a 6-digit number, the first digit cannot start with a 0, or must be 2 letters. The first letter cannot be M or P, and followed by 4 digits. Issue date. The date from which a mortgage-backed securities MBS pool issued under the Ginnie Mae MBS program accrues interest. The issue date is always the first calendar day of the month of issue. Amortization type. This is a description of how the loan is paid, which is monthly. The options available are fixed and adjustable rate. Class type indicates the type of pool, designates whether a pool is a Ginnie Mae 1, Ginnie Mae 2 pool, or a loan package. Structure type denotes the type of mortgage-backed security structure. The options available are multiple issuer and single issuer. Suffix identifier. Single-family pool types describe the type of mortgages backing the pool, including adjustable rate mortgages, ARM, constant maturity treasury, CMT pools, AR and AQ, AT, AF, FT, AS, AX, ARM, London Interbank Offered Rate, LIBOR pools, RL and TL, FL, FB, SL, XL, QL. Single-family pools, SF, FS, BD, MH, JM, SN. Select Next to continue. Another functionality you will need to know is how to generate PDF files of your documents. For example, select the ellipsis in the Actions column, select Docs, select the desired form, document, or report in the drop-down menu. If you navigate to a pool detail page, you will also find the Docs button. A PDF will be downloaded to your computer to save and print. Select Next to continue. Let's explore the data flows within SFPDM. What is the business process for issuers to add a new pool or loan? First, the issuer creates a new single-family pool. The issuer should delete draft pools if applicable. Next, the issuer saves and validates the new pool. They can also add a loan and replace one if applicable, and then save and validate them. A key operational improvement to SFPDM pool processing is the ability to add loans to a pool without having to process the entire submission. Issuers can recall pools not released for issuance if needed. Next, the issuer submits the pool for certification. If applicable, the issuer can request pool transfer at issuance, TAI, which requires the document custodian to certify the TAI pool and the buying issuer to accept it. Finally, the document custodian certifies the new pool. Once certification is complete, the pool status is updated to initially certified, and the pool can continue the path to issuance. Select Next to continue. Now, check your understanding. Now, check your understanding. The goal of this training is to provide new issuers and new employees of existing issuers an overview of the SFPDM functional roles, access, dashboard, and some selected operational activities. You learned that a core function of Ginnie Mae is to allow issuers to submit pool and loan data to be assembled and issued as Ginnie Mae mortgage-backed securities, MBS. Pool and loan data is submitted through electronically uploaded files or by manual data entry. In addition, you learned about the two different SFPDM functional roles and how to access the application. You also learned about the information provided on My Dashboard and through the SFPDM Pools and Loans link. You learned about the data flow for different single-family operational activities. In SFPDM, issuers can create a new SF pool, save it, and validate it. Once validated, you learned to submit pools for final certification and to view the status of your pools. Then you learned that once certification is complete, the pool status is updated to initially certified, and the pool can continue the path to issuance. Select Objectives for a review. You may use the Exit button to leave this presentation at this time.